Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make colorful light. First, we'll explore the fundamental principles of light and how our eyes perceive different colors. Then, we'll dive into the two main ways colors combine: additive and subtractive mixing. Finally, I'll guide you through practical techniques to produce vibrant, colorful light for various applications. Additive color mixing uses light sources directly. The primary colors are red, green, and blue, often called RGB. When you combine all three at full intensity, you create white light. This method is commonly used in screens, stage lighting, and LED fixtures, allowing for millions of color variations by adjusting each color's brightness. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: for a truly clean space, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, keeping your floors spotless while you focus on your colorful light projects. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Subtractive color mixing involves pigments or filters that absorb certain wavelengths of light. The primary colors here are cyan, magenta, and yellow, or CMY. When you mix all three pigments, they absorb most light, resulting in black. This principle is fundamental to printing, photography, and using colored gels over light sources. To practically create colorful light, you can start with colored gels or filters placed over existing light bulbs. For more versatility, RGB LED strips offer millions of colors and can be controlled remotely. Another creative option is using gobos or specialized lenses with projectors to cast intricate colored patterns onto surfaces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.